It's almost that time of year again when the snow melts and new life emerges. Spring! However, for millions of people worldwide, this time of year can be especially hard on the eyes. While seasonal allergies may be notorious for causing constant sneezing and sniffling, they can also affect a person's eye health. Many people with seasonal allergies will experience swelling, redness, itching, or watering of the eye, and their eyes may become incredibly dry and irritated. Fortunately, we're here to help. I-LID Pharma offers a wide selection of eye drops, which effectively and quickly help to relieve dry eye symptoms and may help in relieving symptoms associated with seasonal allergies. Eyelids and eyelashes also trap allergens, debris, and other particles, which is why it's equally important to get into the habit of properly cleansing the eye area. I-LID Pharma's line of I-LID N LASH cleansers is designed to effectively remove ocular debris from the lids and lashes to help prevent irritation, itchiness, or other symptoms that can come from seasonal allergies. Walk into spring feeling confident and see the difference with I-LID Pharma.